Gaining competitive edge through world-class manufacturing. 1. World-class manufacturing, WCM, helps organizations gain a competitive edge by optimizing their production processes and improving overall operational efficiency. 2. WCM focuses on eliminating waste, reducing lead times, improving quality, and enhancing customer satisfaction through the adoption of best practices and continuous improvement methodologies. 3. By implementing WCM principles, organizations can achieve higher productivity levels, lower production costs, and improve profitability. 4. WCM enables organizations to respond quickly to customer demands, market changes, and emerging trends, giving them a competitive advantage in dynamic business environments. 5. It fosters a culture of innovation, continuous learning, and employee empowerment, allowing organizations to adapt and innovate in the face of changing customer needs and expectations. 6. Through WCM, organizations can establish strong relationships and collaboration with suppliers, enabling them to build efficient and reliable supply chains that enhance competitiveness. 7. WCM emphasizes the importance of data-driven decision-making and performance measurement, enabling organizations to identify improvement opportunities, track progress, and make informed strategic choices. 8. By implementing WCM practices, organizations can achieve higher product quality, resulting in increased customer satisfaction, brand loyalty, and a positive reputation in the market. 9. WCM encourages the adoption of lean manufacturing principles, such as just-in-time, production and Kanban systems, which reduce inventory levels, minimize waste, and enhance operational efficiency. 10. It promotes the use of advanced technologies, automation, and digitalization, enabling organizations to improve production processes, enhance product customization, and achieve faster time to market. 11. WCM emphasizes the importance of employee involvement, engagement, and skill development, creating a motivated workforce that contributes to improved productivity and operational excellence. 12. It enables organizations to establish a culture of continuous improvement, where every employee is encouraged to identify and suggest process improvements, leading to increased efficiency and innovation. 13. WCM helps organizations build a reputation for reliability, consistency, and on-time delivery, which are critical factors for gaining a competitive edge in the market. 14. By implementing WCM practices, organizations can optimize their use of resources, minimize waste generation, and contribute to sustainable manufacturing practices, which can be a differentiating factor in the market. 15. WCM enables organizations to effectively manage risks and uncertainties by implementing robust quality control measures, proactive maintenance strategies, and effective supply chain management. 16. It fosters a customer-centric approach by continuously seeking customer feedback, understanding their evolving needs, and aligning production processes to deliver products that meet or exceed customer expectations. 17. WCM encourages organizations to benchmark against industry leaders and adopt best practices, allowing them to stay ahead of the competition and drive continuous improvement. 18. By implementing WCM, organizations can develop strong relationships with customers based on trust, reliability, and the ability to consistently deliver high-quality products. 19. WCM enables organizations to achieve operational excellence by streamlining processes, reducing non-value-added activities, and continuously optimizing performance across all aspects of manufacturing.